I have to drive Lisa to school. I have to drive Lisa to school. She has an important lecture today. She has an important lecture today. Yesterday, she was very nervous. Yesterday, she was very nervous. I hope she's feeling better now. I hope she's feeling better now. Good morning, my darling. Good morning, my darling. You have to get up, Lisa. You have to get up, Lisa. I'm scared, Dad. I'm scared, Dad. You don't have to be scared. You don't have to be scared. Today is my presentation. Today is my presentation. You can do it. I believe in you. You can do it. I believe in you. What if I don't make it? What if I don't make it? Don't think about it. You're going to do great. Don't think about it. You're going to do great. I hate giving speeches. I hate giving speeches. I'm always nervous. I'm always nervous. My teacher will give me a bad grade. My teacher will give me a bad grade. I'm well prepared, but I'm still afraid. I'm well prepared, but I'm still afraid. I will do my best. I will do my best. Hopefully, I do well. Hopefully, I do well. I made your favorite, Lisa. I made your favorite, Lisa. Hopefully, it will cheer you up. Hopefully, it will cheer you up. Thank you, Dad. You're the best. Thank you, Dad. You're the best. We have to leave very soon. We have to leave very soon. Otherwise, you'll be late. Otherwise, you'll be late. I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. Can I stay home? Can I stay home? No, Lisa, you have to go to school. No, Lisa, you have to go to school. You have to lose your fear. You have to lose your fear. I'll try. I'll try. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. What exactly are you afraid of, Lisa? What exactly are you afraid of, Lisa? I'm scared that I'll forget my words. I'm scared that I'll forget my words. But you practiced the presentation, didn't you? But you practiced the presentation, didn't you? Yes, I've been practicing for a week. Yes, I've been practicing for a week. Don't worry, you're well prepared. Don't worry, you're well prepared. You can do it, my darling. I know you can. You can do it, my darling. I know you can. Thanks for your help, Dad. Thanks for your help, Dad. I'll pick you up at 2 o'clock. I'll pick you up at 2 o'clock. We start in 10 minutes. We start in 10 minutes. I have to give the presentation in front of the whole class. I have to give the presentation in front of the whole class. You can do it, Lisa. You can do it, Lisa. Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students. Lisa is giving her presentation today. Lisa is giving her presentation today. Lisa, will you please come forward? Lisa, will you please come forward? I'm coming, Mr. Smith. I'm coming, Mr. Smith. You're welcome to start whenever you're ready. You're welcome to start whenever you're ready. Good morning. I'm going to give my presentation now. Good morning. I'm going to give my presentation now. 15 minutes later. 15 minutes later. Wow, Lisa, that was a really great talk. Wow, Lisa, that was a really great talk. Thank you, Mr. Smith. Thank you, Mr. Smith. Congratulations. For this, you get the best grade. Congratulations. For this, you get the best grade. Yay! I've made it. Yay! I've made it. So, Lisa, how was your presentation? So, Lisa, how was your presentation? It was great. Mr. Smith gave me an A. It was great. Mr. Smith gave me an A. Wonderful. I'm very proud of you. Wonderful. I'm very proud of you. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Dad. As a reward, you get an ice cream. As a reward, you get an ice cream. Really? Oh my God, thank you. Really? Oh my God, thank you. Let's go. Let's go.